so we're having a getting my life together productive Sunday reset. I look like a mess right now. Just got up, slept in a little bit because I had the worst night's sleep ever. I couldn't get comfortable the whole night. I pretty much was in like a light sleep. I didn't have like any deep sleep whatsoever, so I needed to sleep in or else I would be like a zombie right now. Subscribe if you're new here. I didn't sleep here for like a little bit since pretty much like the holidays, so now I gotta like clean up and get everything in order. I'm also obsessed with my PJs. My bed looks like a fort because that's literally how I slept last night. I also got new bed sheets, so they're green. Got a green pillow here. Got a new like really big pillow, and I have a silk pillowcase on it so I can like hug this one. Everything else is the same. My new robe on from Christmas. Alright, I know I do laundry like all the time, but I really need to get some laundry done that I have had here, and I'm gonna do pillowcases. Guys, I made myself some tea and we're gonna make a to-do list right now before I start tackling everything that I need to tackle. I just organized my Notion over here that I use like the other template that I linked in my other video, so it's really useful, you guys. It's a lot of like work stuff on my phone and my iPad that I'll have to get done, but everything else is like pretty much like Sunday reset. Also, you could do this on your phone, but I love that she put a little timer into her Notion because as you get tasks done, it's a great way to just stay on task and like you want to beat that timer type of thing and not get distracted like being on your phone. You could obviously do this on your phone, but I feel like having it here, I'm gonna put my phone down and just, or put music in my ears honestly, and just get to cleaning first because that's the first thing I want to do. Like I have clothes when like I wasn't sleeping here, like I have just clothes and bags. I want to go through like my actual backpack that has like some stuff like when I was doing filming, and like she also put in breaks, so like if you want to break, it's a short break, long break, so love that. First I want to change out of this robe and my PJs. Sadly I wish I could just stay in this all day, but like I'm gonna be cleaning and doing things and I don't want to be in this. Plus I'm gonna be going to the gym later anyways, so I might as well just like be dressed. I'm quickly interrupting today's vlog to thank Dossier for sponsoring this portion of the vlog and sharing my new scent for the month with you guys, which is one that I'm so excited to open because this has been something that I've been seeing all over online that everyone is obsessed with. The YSL, I think the Libre is how you pronounce it, and so I got the Inspired by scent to really share with you guys my experience and what I think of it because girl, if I'm gonna save some money, I'm gonna save some money and save you guys some money as well. And if you're unfamiliar or new to my channel, I talk about Dossier a lot and I genuinely love and wear their perfumes. I put my sister onto them and she also wears them on a regular basis. So they reproduce luxury high-end scents for a fraction of the price so that it's accessible to everyone to get their hands on scents that they genuinely want to try out without having to break the bank. So an overview of the packaging, it just comes in this box right here. Super cute. I love the messaging. Iconic scents, designer quality, no markups. Comes with a little card to describe the scents, the notes, all that good stuff. They're cruelty-free, vegan, sustainable brand, which I'm sure we all can appreciate, and recyclable packaging. This is what the bottle looks like. And this one, the name of it is actually Floral Lavender. The base notes are vanilla, amber, and musk, which is stuff that I gravitate towards in all of like my scents that I currently love. Let's spray it on. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, this is gonna be dangerously good. It is a very pretty scent, I would say that. It does have like that floral scent to it, but it's not too sweet, if that makes sense, and that's what I like. This is a good balance. I am going to put everybody onto this. Link down below to shop, and also you can use my code at checkout to save you guys some money. I'll pop it up on the screen, and as always, it'll always be linked down below. I'm gonna go put this on my vanity and tell my sister I'm about to FaceTime her. Thank you, Dossier. I'm about to put on my headphones and just get to work and put on the timer, and I have all these things to get through. I want to dust the room, have like Christmas cards to put away, and at least I'm ready for the day because it just feels good since I have to go to the gym in a couple of hours. So although I might need to take this off to film some stuff for like videos, it's fine, but you know, at least I'm pretty much ready. Timer's done. Felt so good because I got all those bags done that I showed you guys, but now I'm having my lunch, just leftovers just from yesterday. So it's brown rice, lentils, some roasted lemon potatoes, and chicken. When I whip these two things out, it means real dusting time. So let's get to dusting. This thing is like actually clutch because you just hold this up and I feel like the tooth fairy or something, waving this wand around, just dusting everything away. And it also, like, you can move it around. Not me explaining how to freaking use this. And there's also another button or something where I can extend this. Time to clean. I'm gonna put the timer on again. I do the wall. I adjust over here. As you guys can see, it's very dusty. I'll do like around my desk. I also go to the living room and then dust down the TV in there and all that stuff because we're trying to obviously do this every week. I kind of like that it kind of just erases it from the list. I don't know, I kind of like it, but I kind of like seeing the check marks. This really helps me just stay focused. I don't know, just seeing the clock is kind of like you're racing against the time, so you don't want to be distracted. We love a clean bed, clean laundry. When cleaning is done, it literally feels so good. Thank goodness, like my space is clean. I don't have to worry about cleaning for the rest of the day. And I just put on, also in the Notion, she has like some things lined up, like podcasts or just like music, like jazz music, R&B. So I have that on actually. And I'm gonna do some computer work now that I need to do, so I'm gonna post these YouTube shorts, and then I want to start posting on TikTok. I do like daily posts, or I try to keep up with daily posts, so follow me there, follow me on Instagram, you know the drill. So you guys, we are, when I say so close, we're so close. Oh my gosh, you guys. I want to do a little candle moment while we do my planning for the week. I think I'm going to do the matcha meditation. I feel like it's only right to light a candle when you're going to do some planning. Let's plan for the week. It's going to be a busy week. I'm so excited to sleep right now, and here's how I've been setting up like my little fort. So we have this new pillow that's like huge. My dad got it actually as like a white elephant. There's 2 pillows. I actually took this other one. My mom doesn't like super fluffy pillows like this, so I was like, you know what, this is a perfect hugging pillow for me. So that's step 1. If you're somebody who likes to be enclosed in, like you're cuddling somebody or just like secure, this is the tea. So this pillow right here is where I put my head, because it's like kind of like not flimsy but kind of flimsy. It's soft. I don't like sleeping on firm pillows when I lay my head down. So that one is like the base. So this one goes like tucked underneath, and this one is like pretty firm and like thick. I don't know how to describe it. It's just pretty firm. So I do a little bit like this, and I just sleep right there, and then I have my weighted blanket. So talk about feeling secure and comfy. This is it. And I have a pretty small bed. Although last night I had probably the worst sleep. I think it's just because I haven't been sleeping here since like, I don't know, Christmas. So I just have to get comfortable and like readjusted, I guess. And my mind was just racing, and I'm also PMSing, and that affects your sleep a lot. So there's that. Tomorrow is Monday. My phone is on 6%. We're having a productive day tomorrow. I'm also vlogging, so I'm really excited. But we got the alarms going, and it's so late right now, so I need to sleep, and hopefully I can sleep. And I'm not even gonna give the negative energy, like I will be able to sleep. Also, so many people are congratulating me on 10K, and like that honestly makes it like more emotional for me when like people I know or like things like that, and they actually say congratulations. And it always hits different because it's always the people, like it's a lot of people too, like that I went to high school with. Like we don't talk a lot at all. It's nice to like see support from people. It means like the world. But I hope you guys enjoyed this getting my life together video. Sunday, productive Sunday reset routine. I definitely needed it to like just clear my mind. Thank you again for 10K. Like I cannot believe it. And I will be talking about like the giveaway and stuff. Instead of putting this in another video, I'm gonna put this in this video because this is the video that I just hit 10K, and the giveaway is obviously a little bit after I just hit 10K. So if you guys want to enter this giveaway, here are the rules, and I'm gonna be selecting 3 winners, and I'm so excited. I will be reaching out. I will put on the timeline on the screen of when the giveaway is going to be closed and when I will be, you know, randomly selecting the winner. I always use like a random generator, and so what you could potentially win are all the things that I genuinely love. So it could be a gift card, you might be getting a journal, things like that, lifestyle stuff that I use. Definitely, if you guys are interested, then here are the rules. You need to make sure that you are subscribed here to my YouTube channel. You're gonna have your post notifications turned on, and on the video, like right here in the comment section, I want you guys to comment your favorite thing about my channel, what you love, when you started following me, why you follow me, and also follow me on TikTok and on Instagram. I'm also probably gonna put up a story on my Instagram as well so that people can enter, and maybe I'll do like a bonus entry if people put it on their story as well. So those are all the rules to enter this giveaway. I know it's something super small, but definitely as I continue to grow, I want to keep on doing these more because I just want to give back to you guys, because I wouldn't be here without you guys and your support. But I love you guys all. Thank you again so much for 10K. I cannot wait to continue to grow this year with you guys, and I love you all.